Are you looking to give your Christmas tree a magical finishing touch this year? If you're tired of the traditional star or angel topper, this video is for you. We're diving into unique, creative, and trendy Christmas tree topper ideas that will make your tree truly stand out. From rustic elegance to DIY magic, we've got plenty of inspiration to make your tree the highlight of your holiday decor. Let's get started. How can I make a DIY Christmas tree topper that's budget-friendly yet beautiful? If you want to create a personalized touch for your tree without breaking the bank, here are some DIY topper ideas that look fabulous and festive. 1. Paper starburst. Using just some cardstock and glue, create a starburst topper with layers of folded paper. Choose colors that match your tree's theme and add glitter for an extra sparkle. 2. Mason jar lid ornament. Gather old mason jar lids, paint them, and stack them to form a star or tree shape. This rustic topper is inexpensive and looks charming on a farmhouse-style tree. 3. Felt angel or gnome. With some felt, glue, and basic crafting tools, you can create a whimsical angel or a cute Christmas gnome. This is a great family-friendly craft and adds a sweet, personal touch to your holiday decor. Crafting your own topper? Comment below with your DIY topper ideas. How can I incorporate family heirlooms or sentimental items as tree toppers? Personalizing your tree with heirlooms is a beautiful way to bring nostalgia into your holiday decor. Here are some meaningful ways to add a family touch. So 1. Antique brooch or jewelry. Repurpose an old brooch, necklace, or piece of jewelry that belonged to a loved one. Attach it securely to a small ribbon or wreath at the top of your tree for a sentimental and sparkly touch. 2. Framed photo or locket. Place a small framed photo or locket at the top of your tree. This idea works wonderfully for families wanting to honor loved ones or celebrate family memories. 3. Handmade star or angel from childhood. If you have a homemade ornament from your childhood or a family heirloom like a knitted angel, place it proudly as your tree topper for a heartwarming display. Do you have a special family? How can I use lights and other electronics to make my Christmas tree topper stand out? Adding lights to your tree topper can create a mesmerizing effect. Here are some ways to use lights creatively to make your topper the star of the show. 1. LED projector topper. A projector topper casts beautiful patterns on the ceiling, creating an enchanting atmosphere in the room. Look for projectors that display stars, snowflakes, or even swirling Christmas designs. 2. Fiber optic angel or star. A fiber optic topper glows with color-changing lights, adding a magical effect. This style works great if you're aiming for a magical or whimsical look. 3. Battery-powered string lights. Wrap a battery-powered string of fairy lights around any topper you choose to add a subtle, twinkling glow. This option works well if you want to add a bit of sparkle to a bow or floral arrangement on top. Loving these illuminating ideas? Don't forget to subscribe for more festive decor inspiration. What are the best Christmas tree toppers for small spaces? If you have a smaller tree, you'll want a topper that doesn't overwhelm the space. Here are a few ideas that work well for small space Christmas decor. 1. Mini angel or elf hat. A tiny angel or elf hat can look adorable on a small tree. These toppers add a festive touch without taking up much room, keeping your tree proportional. 2. Simple ribbon bow. A single ribbon bow in a festive color can make a beautiful, minimalist topper for smaller trees. Opt for wide, wired ribbons so you can shape it nicely. 3. Glittered snowflake or star ornament. A small, glittery star or snowflake ornament adds just the right amount of sparkle. Choose a metallic or glitter finish to make it stand out without overpowering the tree. Decorating a small tree? See the description for products featured in this video. What are some unconventional items I can use as a Christmas tree topper? If you're looking to stand out from traditional toppers, here are some unique items that make excellent unconventional toppers. 1. Miniature top hat. A small, festive top hat can give your tree a playful and classy look. Add some holly, ribbon, or even a monocle for a touch of whimsy. 2. Flower bouquet. Use a bunch of poinsettias, eucalyptus, or white lilies to crown your tree for a soft, elegant finish. This idea is perfect for trees with a floral or botanical theme. 3. Repurposed Christmas wreath. Take a small wreath, perhaps decorated with bells or berries, and place it on top. This adds volume and a layered look, giving your tree a lush and unique finish. Looking for more one-of-a-kind ideas? Check the description for links to similar videos. What are some popular and unique Christmas tree topper ideas for this year? When it comes to topping your tree, there's no shortage of styles that can make it stand out. Here are a few trending ideas to consider. 1. Oversized bow topper. A large, lush bow can add elegance and charm to your Christmas tree. Choose a ribbon in a luxurious fabric, like velvet or satin, in colors that complement your overall decor. It's easy to adjust and can be the perfect pop of color on top. 2. Rustic star with burlap accents. For a rustic or farmhouse theme, a wooden or metal star wrapped in burlap or twine can add a cozy, natural look. Add some mini pine cones or sprigs of holly to make it extra festive. 3. Light up snowflake. For a modern, magical look, go with a light up snowflake topper. These are often LED lit, making them glow beautifully in the dark and giving your tree a sparkling effect. Inspired by these ideas? Hit that like button and share this video to spread the holiday cheer. What are some creative Christmas tree topper ideas that work with different themes? Whether your Christmas theme is classic, modern, or whimsical, there's a topper that can match perfectly. Here are some creative ideas that align with different decor styles. 1. Woodland owl for a natural theme. For a tree decorated with earthy tones and natural ornaments, a woodland owl perched on top adds a whimsical, rustic vibe. Use pine cones, berries, and small branches to complement the look. 2. Vintage Santa for a classic Christmas. Nothing says classic Christmas like a vintage Santa Claus topper. Add in red and green ornaments and classic candy canes to make it feel nostalgic and warm. 3. Modern monogram for a chic look. For a minimalist or modern theme, go with a sleek, oversized monogram letter as your tree topper. Spray paint it in metallic or matte colors that match your decor for a unique, elegant look. Want more ideas for themed decor? Check the description for a link to our holiday playlists. And there you have it. 7 fabulous and creative ideas for Christmas tree toppers that will make your holiday decor stand out this year. Which topper idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more holiday inspiration.